Hello my dear students, good afternoon all of you. Welcome back to your online classes. Today is your online classes of maths. So students, my name is Tazib sir and today I am going to teach you exercise number 4A. But before starting our exercise, what to do? Take your book, sit properly and attention. Okay? So students, I hope you are sit with your books and you mention and some important topics and some short calculations you are do in your book. I hope you all are do with me. So let's see here today's quote. Students, what is today's quote? I learn from yesterday. What? I learn from yesterday. Learn from yesterday means we have learned something. Learn from yesterday, because of yesterday we are not doing our work is well, so we are learn about yesterday. Okay, because of we are do the mistakes, doing the mistakes, so we have learn from yesterday. And live for today. Okay, live for today means we have to do something today, we have to learn something, you give a best performance today. Okay, means live for today. And hope from tomorrow. Hope means we tomorrow my dream is come, my dream we will do, all students, we will be a try to, we will complete our dream soon as possible, we will complete our dream. So hope from tomorrow, so we have a do, we got a rank, we achieve some success as like that. So hope from tomorrow, learn from yesterday, live from today and hope from tomorrow. I hope you all are understood. And now I hope you remember and I hope you wrote what we have done in last sessions. What we have done in last sessions, we have done, students, in last sessions we have done revision, we have done exercise and revision and question number 2, question number 3 and compare using greater than, less than or equal to, and question number 4 multiplication. So students, again I am repeating you, exercise number 4A revision, question number 2 complete, and question number 3 compare using greater than, less than or equal to, question number 4 multiply. I got my point, all students. We have done revision exercise 4A question number 2 complete, question number 3 compare using greater than, less than or equal to, question number 4 multiply. This all things we have done in last session. And now today's content, today's we are going to learn. So students, we are going to learn today revision exercise revision or exercise 4A question number 4 multiply and question number 5 multiplication problems. And the new topic is multiplying by 8. So 8 time tables, and new is what? 8 time tables. So now let's check here one by one, we do the all things here. Got my point, all students? So exercise number 4A question number 4. What? Exercise number 4A question number 4 multiply. Okay, so now let's check here. So what is the question number A? 29 multiply by 7. 29 multiply by 7. So do one by one all step here. Okay, I hope you remember the table, all tables. So all this again you are do with me in your rough book. All students, you all sums, this all revision sums you are now do with me in your rough book. So one by one, question number A, 29 multiply by 7. 29 multiply by 7, 29 multiply by 7. Okay, so we write as a form of box, as a box formation. Got my point, all students? So we do here 7 multiply by 9 first and 7 multiply by 2 one by one, and then we got the answer. So 7 nines are how many, all students? 7 nines are 63, or 9 sevens are 63. 3 here and 6 as a form of carry. Then after 7 twos are 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 14 1 4 14, 14 plus 6 14 plus 6 is equal to how many, all students? 14 plus 6. Do with me now. 14 plus 6 is equal to 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what should we got answer? We got a 20. 7 to the 14, 14 plus the 6, 14 plus 6 is equal to how many, all students? 16. 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. So 9 7s are 63 and 7 2s are 14. So answer is what? 203. What we got here? Answer here, students, we got 203. You students, you should be right as first of all you make a boy as this form, means box form, as a box form. First of all you make a box, draw a box, and then in each box you write a 1 digit. Understood? Got my point, all students? This is your question number A is done. Now we move on question number 2. So question number 2 is what, all students? Question number 2 is what? 98 multiplied by 7. 98 multiplied by 7. So we write here 98 multiplied by 7. 98 multiplied by 7. So 7 multiplied by 8. 7 multiplied by 8 or 8 multiplied by 7. Opposite. We think both direction. Okay. We think it about the both side. 8 7s or 7 8s are, but both are same answer. 8 7s are or 7 8s are. 7 8s are 56. How many, all students? 7 8s are 56. So 6 here and 5 is a form of carry. Then after 7 9s are. 7 9s how many, all students? 63. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 9. Sorry, 63 plus not 9. 63 plus 5. So 64, 65, 66, 67 or 68. Got my point? 67 9s are 63. 63 plus this 5 carry. So 63 plus 5 is equal to how many? 68. So what we got here? Answer 686. 686. I hope you all are understood, and I hope you all are right with me in your book. Do fast, all students. Understood? Then after, now we move on question number C. So question number C is 47 multiplied by 7. What? 14 7 multiplied by 7. So we do here 47 multiplied by 7. Okay, 47 4 7 multiplied by 7. 7 7s are 7 7s how many, all students? 49. 7 7s are 49. So 9 here and 4 is a form of carry. 7 7s are 49. 9 here and 4 is a form of carry. Then after 7 7s are 49. Okay, so 9 here and 4 carry. Then after 7 4s are how many, all students? 7 4s are 28. Or 4 7s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4, 29, 30, 31 and 32. Understood? So what we have answer? 32. Okay, so answer is what? Main answer is 329. What is the main answer? 329. I hope you all are understood. Now we move on other question. Do the revision of other question. Exercise number 4A, question number 5, multiplication and its problem. Exercise number 4A, question number 5, multiplication and its problem. So now we do here question number 1 of question number 5, multiplication problem. Question number A is what? 7 limes are needed. What? 7 limes are needed to make a 1 jug juice of lime juice. 7 limes are needed to make a 1 jug juice. It means what? We want a 7 limes are make a 1 jug juice of lemon juice. So how many limes? What? So how many limes are needed to make a 8 jug juice? Okay, so in 1 jug make a juice, lime juice. So that time we needed 7 limes. So we are make a 8 jug juice. So how many lemons are needed? That is our question. What is this our question, all students? Question is what, all students? Question is 7 limes are needed to making a 1 jug juice. So make a 8 jug juice. So how many limes are needed? Okay, that time we make the 8 jug juice. We make the 8 jug juice. So that time how many limes are needed in 1 jug? Make a 1 jug juice. That time we want a 7 lemons, so 8 jugs. So how many lemons are needed? So we do here the addition. We have information 7 limes and 8 jugs. So 7 multiplied by 8. What? 7 multiplied by 8. So we do here the multiplication 7 limes and 8 jugs. So we are finding here how many limes are needed to making a 8 jug juice. So 7 8s are how many, all students? 7 8s are 56. 7 1s are 7. As like that we do 2 till 7 8s are. So 7 8s are 56. So 56 limes are needed to make a 8 jug juice. Understood? Got my point, all students? Now we move on. Question number B. So what is the question number B? There are 24 buttons in a packet. How many packets are there? There are 24 buttons in a packet. Got my point, all students? There are 24 buttons in one packet. So how many buttons are there in a 7 such a packets? Got my point? So understood, students? There are 24 buttons in packet, and how many buttons are there in a 7 such a packets? There are 24 buttons in a packet. What? There are how many buttons? 24 buttons in a one packet. And how many buttons are? How many buttons are there in 7 such a packets? So 24 multiplied by 7. 2 4 24 multiplied by 7. So 24 multiplied by 7. So 7 4s are how many, all students? 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. So 8 here and 2 is a form of carry. 7 4s are 28. 8 here and 2 is a form of carry. Then after 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are how many, all students? 14. So 14 plus these 2 carry. 14 plus 1 5 and 2 16. Sorry, 14 plus 1 15. 15 plus 1 16. So we wrote here I wrote here the 16. Okay, so 168 buttons are in such a 7 packets. Okay, 116 buttons are there in 7 such a packets. Understood? This is your question number B. I hope you are understood this all revision. Now we move on today's session or topic. What is today's core topic? I hope you remember these topics. So today's core topic is multiply by 8. What? Today's new topic is multiply by 8. Okay, so multiply by 8 means what we are going to learn in this topic. In this topic we are going to learn 8 times table. What? 8 times table. Today we are going to learn here 8 time tables. Multiply by 8. Similarly, when you are learn the 8 time tables, you are learn only 2 new multiplication fact. Which one is new? 8 8s are, because of we know table number 7. I hope you know, and we all know the table number 7. So till to 7 8s are. Okay, we do in table number 7 8s are we know, but we don't know about the 8 8s are. Okay, so 8 8s are and 8 9s are both a new multiplication facts. So student, today we are going to learn only 2 new multiplication facts about on a multiplication by 8 or you learn the 8 timetables in. Okay, so student, similarly when you learn the 8 timetables, you learn only 2 new multiplication fact. What? Similarly, when you learn the 8 timetables, you learn only 2 new multiplication facts. So now here, how many abacus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. How many abacus are here? Here total 8 abacus are here. And that in all abacus, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 in upper side, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 is a lower side. Understood? In all abacus, students, you see what in for all abacus, in first row is 4, and then second row in a 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, so 8 abacus and 8 abacus and 8 bits. Okay, so 8 eights are what? Here 1, see here 8 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. 8 plus, okay, so 8 plus 8, how many? 16. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus this 8, 32. 32 plus 8, how many? 14. 40 plus 8, 48. As we do as like that all sums. So 8 8s are how many? 64. How many all students? 8 8s are 64. Now you count here 4 4 8 8 plus 8 8 plus 8 8 plus, as like that you are do in your book. All students, what to do? You do in your book now. Eight eights are 64. So students, here we learn 8 eights are 64. 8 plus 8, 8, sorry, here 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 8, 48. 14 plus 8, how many? 56. 56 plus last, how many? 8. So 64. So 8 multiplied by 8, and 8 this plus 8 with 8. So how many all? 8 multiply this 8, add 8 times, so 64. So 8 groups are 8 bits. Okay, so 8 8s are 64. And here is also how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or 9. How many rods of wooden rods are 9. Wooden rods are 9, and each group has how many rods? Here 8. 2 3 5, 5 plus 3 8. Got my point, all students? So each has a 8, and how many groups are? 2 2 4 2 6 2 8 and 1 9. So 9 8s are, or 8 9s are, how many all students? 72. 8 9s are, 9 8s are 72. Got my point, all students? I hope you all are understood. Now we move on. We learn about the table number 8. Build the 8 timetables by counting the number of petals. Here, how many flowers? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 or 10 flowers are here. But in each flower, how many petals? 8. How many? 1. See, each has 1 2 3, total 8. Yellow color, it's shown in a yellow color. See this, it's a 8. Okay, 8, but here is one flower, so 8 ones are 8. Okay, and here is also is opposite side, and this is a straight side, and this is opposite side. Okay, so I hope you are written with me, all students, and you must be written with me. Okay, whenever I am explaining you, that time you are right in your fair book. So 1 8 is 8, 2 8 is 16. This all know about the others tables. Okay, this table number 8 we know, till table number 7 we know. Okay, so we only know now learn only to this both multiplication fact. Okay, so 1 8 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 3 8 is 24, 3 8 is 24, 4 8 is 32, 5 8 is 14, 6 8 is 48, 7 8 is 64, sorry, 7 8 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 9 8 is 72, and 10 8 is 80. Understood? Again I am repeating you, 1 8 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 3 8 is 24, 3 8 is 24, 3 8 is 24. Then after 4 8 is 32, 5 8 is 14, 6 8 is 48, 7 8 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, or 10 8 is 80. And now here using order the property means straight side, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 14, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, and 8 10 is 18. Understood? This is your table number 8. What? This is your table number 1. Is here is done. I hope you remember, and this table number 8 you are right at 5 times in your rough book. What? Because of anyhow we learn the table number 8. So that's we are doing the further exercise also long sum. Understood? We learn all students table number 8. Again I am repeating you, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 14, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, 8 10 is 80. Again I am repeating you, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 14, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, and 8 10 is 18. Got my point? I hope you all are understood. And now we move on exercise number 4b. Exercise number 4b, question number 1, action exercise, build the table of 8. What we build here? We build here table 8, table of 8. Exercise number 4b, question number 1, action exercise, build the table of 8. Okay, so now let's check here. Here is the example of, here is one tray, blue color is in a tray, and here in the seeds. Okay, you use rajma seed and 10 sections of any ice tree. Here is both ice tree. Okay, ice tree, you know very well what is a ice tree. We are put in what we are put in water and then freezing, and then we are got as a form of ice. Okay, so this tray are using to making a ice. So ice tray, in ice tray how many sessions? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and each tray has 10. Each tray is ice tray has 10 box. See here, 10 is 10. Okay, and here how many rajma seeds are used? 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 7. Okay, 7. See here, 2 to 4 to 6 and to 8. Sorry, 7, not a 8. Sorry, not a 7, 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 8. Here one tray and 8 rajma seed are used. One tray, so we wrote 1 and 8 rajma seeds. So 8. So 1 multiplied by 8. So 1 8 is 8. Then after here 1 tray, but 2 box are fulfilled. Okay, in each box has 8 rajma seeds. How many? 8 plus 8, 16. So 2 means what? 2 box here and 8 rajma. Okay, 2 box and 8 rajma. So 2 8s are 8 2s are 16. Complete the activity. Record the tables in your notebook, but you are doing this your rough book. Understood, all students? No need to do in your fair book. Now exercise number 4b, question number 1. Exercise number 4b, question number 1. What? Exercise number 4b, question number 1. Solve. Keep the rules of multiplication in mind. What? Exercise number 4b, question number 1 is what? Solve. Keep the rules of multiplication in mind. Keep the rules of multiplication in our mind. Okay, so question number 1, let's check here what is the question number 1. 8 multiplied by 8 minus 64. Okay, here we are know about the rules of multiplication. Okay, I'll give a reminder or a try using any trick. Okay, so note down or just taking a 1 to 2 minutes, you know what is the rules of multiplication. 2 multiplication rules we have learned at the initial part of the multiplication chapter. What? Multiplication. So if any number, now I am give a trick, or we do here the revision of 2 rules. Which that rules? Okay, so you write in your rough book now. If any number multiplication 1, so product is itself. What? It any number multiplication multiply with 1. If any number multiply with 1, so we got what? We got itself number. Okay, and then second is what? Any number multiply with 0. Any number multiply with 0, so product or multiplication answer is 0. What? Multiplication answer is 0. Got my point, all students? Now we do here 8 multiplied by 8. We learn in this first exercise, in this first topic, 8 8s are 64. So we write here 8 8s are 64, and then after minus 64. So 64 minus 64, how many? 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So answer is what? To got 0. So we should be right here 0. It's a very easy. Okay, now we move on question number B. What is the question number B? 1 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to how many? So it's a long process and we are confusing here. So do one by one all stuff. First of all, you write the question. Okay, and then we solve here. So now one by one step we are move. 1, so we wrote here 1, I wrote here 1, 8. 1 8 is how many, all students? 8. Then after what we got here? Answer 8. So 8 multiplied by 1, 8 multiplied by 1, again 8 ones are 8. So we got here 8. Okay, and then multiplication what here? 8 is done here, and then is left 8 here is here. 8 is answer of this, and 8 we take here. So 8 8 is how many, all students? 64. 8 8 is 64, and here is this 1 left. So 64 multiplied by 1. So 64 ones are 64. Okay, I was told you any number multiplication 1, so its product or multiplication answer itself. What? Itself. So 64 multiplied by 1 is equal to 64. Understood? I hope you all are understood. Now question number C and question number D we are learn in next session, next lectures. Okay, you are question number you all students do a question number 1 and question number B in your rough book now 2 times, and table number 8 5 times you now do in your rough book, and anyhow and then you learn the table number 8. Got my point, all students? Okay, I hope you all are understood and enjoying my maths lecture. Please students, use the sanitizer whenever you are coming at your home and going outside. Okay, thank you so much all of you. Thank you all students.